a snap. We can snap the cards that are the same colour.
OK, that does sound fun.
Snap! That looks a bit tricky. Why don't I doodle you a pair of grippy gloves?
Doodle girl, these are too big. And I don't have thumbs.
We have to be able to play something with our mighty GIBB-ON cards.
I wish I could remember a good game for us.
You just have. Let's play Memory. Memory's a great game. If I draw one big rectangle, then break it up with some lines to make smaller rectangles, then I have a grid. Let's pop all the cards in here. We'll take turns turning them over in pairs and see if we can get a match. This is taking too long. I don't want to play anymore.
Oh, really? Oh, OK then. I guess I'll just...
Liddle, come back. Well, I suppose I'll do something with these mighty GIBB-ON cards myself. I'm going to build a house of cards. This won't do. I need to be taller to get to the top. That's more like it. Whoa, whoa. This won't do at all. I have to get high enough to reach the top. If I could just doodle something that could raise me up, like... Oh, I know. Doodle-doodle-doo. Wait! Hang on! No! Go back! Rumph! Hooray! Little birdie, you did it! Wow, you did it, little birdie. You completed our very own mighty GIBB-ON house.
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Fancy cards are nice, but they don't compare to my own mighty Birdie right here. This game was not as fun without you, buddy.
I'm glad I came back.